verbal section, sentence correction. The difference between because of and due to. Governed exclusively by intuition, native speakers may successfully differentiate between the two expressions. However, let's go deeper into detail and not simply leave it to luck. First, take a look at the following practice task. Can you explain to yourself why you like this or that choice? Choice E is the correct answer here. What makes it correct and what role does the split play for this question? It turns out that the expression due to can be used in those cases when you can replace it with the expression caused by and still receive a meaningful sentence. In other cases, you are supposed to use the expression because of. Take a look at the following examples. Which of the expressions would you use in which of the sentences? In the second sentence, the cancellation of the game was caused by bad weather makes perfect sense, which is why the expression due to must be used in it. On the other hand, the sentence the football match was cancelled caused by bad weather is awkward. Hence, because of must be used in the first sentence. Statistically speaking, because of will be due to in 90% of cases. Hence, when you are unsure which to use, opt for because of to raise the likelihood of getting the right answer.